Well, I saw you head in the smoky room, dancing to the blues like a disco groove, catching every eye. When I saw you looking at me with a smile like you wanted me, you just move, baby, move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? Got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby, take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life. Just move, baby. What could I do?
Coming back from Phoenix, picking up a couple grandkids. Right here, we're just going through Wickenburg. We got 3 segments on this little video here, 10-minute video. Stick with us through the whole thing. It's pretty interesting. This first part's going to be some railroad tracks we've been wanting to go see in the Jeep, but we're going to go with the drone. Stay tuned. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Now we're going downtown Wickenburg. This old bridge here, they closed down and opened the new one. And this old bridge, I remember whenever it used to flood down through here, like 1990, 1991, the water was all the way up to the bottom of this bridge. So I hope you'll enjoy this part. This is neat town, Wickenburg. You can see this painted bridge right here. That's where the water used to flood underneath that. I don't know what they did with the water. It hasn't flooded since then. That's pretty wild back in the 80s and 90s, the way everything would flood out in Arizona. They've done a lot of flood control since then, though. Right here's a neat little RV park right there by the old riverbed. Stick with us here. This is segment 2 going through the city of Wickenburg. Here's a little music for you. Hang on. Alright, check this out, guys. It's right there on the left, Best Western Motel. That's where Debbie and I spent our first night together. Right here on the left is an old restaurant bar. We came up there to meet my dad. The starter went out in his van. We came up there, so we wound up spending our first night together in that motel. And then up here on the left, in a minute, you're going to see, well, you won't be able to see it, but there's an old restaurant we used to stop here going through town. Right there on the left, that little V-shaped building. That's where we used to stop and get breakfast with the kids on the way back to Las Vegas. And we're just going through town here, and then we're going to come up to on the north side of town where they do the rodeos all the time. They got some cattle out there now, so I'm just going to fly the drone over that area, check out the rodeo grounds, horse trailers, cattle, whatnot. Then we got one more segment after this. Hang on. Alright, this next stop here by Burro Creek, it's a real neat canyon, man. There used to just be one bridge across this first one right here that you can see. Then they put another bridge next to it. Got the neat river down below. Anyways, I'm just going to let you check it out, play a little bit of music. Alright, thanks for watching.